this tutorial, we'll be covering the steps needed to be taken in order to build courseware through the Obami platform. In this case, we'll be building a micro course on the topic of decision making, and we'll assume that we've already curated our content, which we've populated in our curation template. So to bring this to life, we simply create a course and give it a title. We can copy the description from our template and paste it in here. Then we classify our content according to the capability structure that's been set up for your organization. Now it's just a matter of adding in the content. Simply click where it says to and choose the type of content you need from the many options presented. Generally speaking, it helps to keep it simple. We'll just add in some introductory text and some course details, like its duration. Next, we'll add our learning materials. Videos work well for this. You can upload your own or embed one from YouTube. In this case, we found Ed Musea's take on decision making, so we copy the URL, paste it into the platform, and there we go. Then on to some other things related to the course. The first being a job aid, which is essentially a downloadable resource that can be printed out and kept to hand. It can be used to provide access to the course in future when a quick refresh is needed. QR codes work great for this. So we add in an icon to indicate that it's a job aid, and then simply upload the job aid file. Next is the designating of a subject matter expert, someone who takes ownership of the topic and is happy and competent enough to answer any questions that people may have. We add in an SME icon and select a member profile from the content menu. You can just as easily drop in the SME's name and contact details here using a paragraph item. The last column is, in this instance, reserved for recognizing the completion of learning. Again, we add in an icon, and then we select the progress trigger option from the menu. To include a progress trigger, we need to set up course progress, so we click through to do just that. For this course, there's only one page, with Ed's video being the only learning that needs to take place. It is 100% of the course. From here, we can add a badge, and this gets awarded to someone when they have learned what they needed to. Once we've saved that, we come back to our page where we're adding in the progress trigger. Here, we're letting the user say when they have completed the course by means of a simple tick box and statement. You could also recognize completion of learning via assessment, or if a supervisor or a manager is needed to approve the learning that's taken place, they can add a badge directly to that user's profile. So now your course should be ready to go. Check it out in preview mode. And if it all looks okay, then it's a simple matter of publishing the course to make it available to others. Your community members will be able to find it via your organization's library of courses. They can search for it direct or drill down to it via the capability classification structure. They can do this from any device, anywhere, and at any time. And so, if your members complete the course, they'll get the associated badge as recognized within your organization's L&D framework, and they can keep track of this from their dashboard. Their supervisor or manager will be able to see it on their profile.